From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. I've got a pretty fun group right here. I've got Terrence Aites right here in the middle. He's with Net Health. I have Andrea Horton. There we go. She's on the end. She's with Healthy Me, Healthy Babies Coalition. And then Laurel Young right here. She is with Superior Health Plan. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you so much for being here. All right, well, first, I have a few questions that I want to ask you, but I feel like we probably should address the elephant in the closet, right, in the room. What is this?
I'm just holding this just to hide my body.
Just holding that tight? Yeah, we're using it as a prop. No, I see this really amazing $5,000 check right here made out to Healthy Me, Healthy Babies. Let's just start off with what exactly is Healthy Me, Healthy Babies.
Right, so Healthy Me, Healthy Babies is a coalition of local hospitals, agencies, and groups that work with young families, moms and dads, and what we do is really try to impact the infant mortality rate in East Texas and reduce the maternal morbidity rate. So right now our infant mortality rate is about 7 children out of every 1,000 live births die before their first birthday. So our goal is to reduce that, reduce our maternal morbidity rate so that our families can be stable, they can grow, our families can be healthy, and our children can be safe.
Fantastic. Now, I'm guessing that this check is going to help you guys do just that, correct?
Absolutely.
All right. So, Superior Health Plan is giving this check to Healthy Me, Healthy Babies Coalition. Can you tell us a little bit about what you guys do and how you're involved?
Absolutely. So Superior Health Plan is a Medicaid managed care health plan here within Texas. We primarily serve children and pregnant women, and so thus the partnership with the Healthy Me, Healthy Babies Coalition. We love to partner with organizations that serve the community and serve the families that Superior Health Plan serves. And so Superior had identified a need within the community to provide hygiene items. That's a very unmet need currently, and so we've partnered with the Healthy Me, Healthy Babies Coalition to help meet that need through these hygiene closets throughout East Texas and throughout Texas.
Now, I want to know a little bit more about these hygiene closets. What exactly are they, and how did you guys discover that this was an unmet need here?
Absolutely. So there's a variety of resources throughout Texas, throughout the state, that help clients with food, help individuals that are struggling with food insecurities. However, there's not a lot of resources when it comes to hygiene items. If somebody's receiving SNAP benefits, they're not able to purchase hygiene items with those benefits, and so Superior Health Plan identified that as something that we need to provide funding towards to help at least crack the barrier and try to start meeting that need.
That's fantastic. Now, can I get a little bit more information about these hygiene closets? Can you tell us the hours that they're open, the address, things like that? How can people find out a little bit more about them in case this is something they need?
Oh, that's where Net Health comes into play.
Awesome, perfect.
So we operate the WIC clinics. We have 2 WIC clinics in Tyler, and our WIC administrative offices is located within the Waddell Connolly building. The physical street address is 112 East Line Street. It's across the street from Discovery Science Place. The hygiene closet is going to be open every first Wednesday from 10 to 12. So today is the grand opening. And then it'll also be open every second Saturday of every month from 10 to 12. I'm sorry, 10 to 2.
10 to 2.
10 to 2.
Fantastic.
For that first Wednesday and second Saturday of every month.
Now, how can people within our community, if they need assistance, how can they reach out in order to get that help when the closet is closed?
So we do have a website that we refer clients to, findhelp.org. It's super easy to remember, and folks that are in the community can search that website for a variety of resources, food, hygiene items, utility assistance, you name it. So if you're in need of assistance, reach out to findhelp.org. They can Google that and use that as a means to find other resources in the community. Superior Health Plan does have a variety of these hygiene closets throughout East Texas and throughout the entire state. So if somebody perhaps is in a different area, if they're visiting, there are resources throughout the state. So again, findhelp.org, or of course they can go to our website superiorhealthplan.com and see what resources are also available as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for coming on and for sharing. This is a great thing that you're doing for the community, and it really takes a team effort to do it. So thank you to all of you, and congrats on this. Thank you for this. It's amazing. All righty, we'll be back with the second half of East Texas Live in about 2 minutes, so stay with us.